Hi, my name is Clay from OpenC3, and I've been working on connecting this drone with a Pixhawk 6C flight controller connected to Cosmos, as well as using the Radiomaster Boxer transmitter so that we can get all the information about flight telemetry and commanding straight from Cosmos on our laptop to our drone via the transmitter. With the full list of MAVLink commands, this plugin is now able to control both the drone and any payload that's on it via these MAVLink commands, which will send it out to the PX4 flight controller and then manipulate the drone as needed. That also means that you get to take advantage of the entire Cosmos suite, including Script Runner, which is right here, turning on and off that flashlight so we can interpret it as Morse code. In our current setup, we have the drone communicating with the transmitter with XpressLRS protocol, and I have the transmitter connected to Cosmos on my laptop with Bluetooth. The messages are all MAVLink version 2 messages, and Cosmos is able to interpret these as telemetry and can send the commands out. We also have data forwarded to QGroundControl, so in our system, Cosmos, the transmitter, and QGroundControl can all receive telemetry and control the drone via these commands. This setup allows us to plan our missions either in something familiar like QGroundControl or using Cosmos' scripting engine directly. And if there are a variety of payloads on board, Cosmos can control them with ease. Lastly, the transmitter still allows for manual flight intervention. So now, onto our field test.
So this is our MAVLink drone, and we just got that set up
glitch or compass error
to GPS compass error because that's awesome. This thing loves to talk to us, which is awesome. We have it set up to control this flashlight, and we can flash Morse code, run from a Cosmos script, and we set that up to where we can flash any Morse code sequence that we want. I think what we did earlier was hi from OpenC3.
glitch cleared,
but we can make it say whatever we wanted it to say. So pretty fun drone from iView. Is that correct?
Yep.
Yeah.
Yeah, and we've got basically the whole system together here. So obviously you've got the drone and you've got the radio connection to the controller. Controller's also connected to the off-screen laptop that Clay has with a Bluetooth, and that is running the full Cosmos stack. And basically that allows us to have all of the drone telemetry flowing through this system over to Cosmos and then commanding back through. And that's actually the pathway that we have the Morse code conversion coming back to and then coming out of flashlight over here. Pretty damn cool.
This MAVLink plugin can be used such that other familiar tools like QGroundControl can be used in conjunction with this, and all the messages from QGroundControl, including commands, will go through Cosmos so that all those commands from QGroundControl can be continually monitored within Cosmos. This allows for a seamless integration between the tools you're familiar with as well as Cosmos, and then you gain the advantage of all the different tooling that Cosmos comes with without having to give up your familiar workflows. And before you fly your drone, make sure it's in the right mode and that everything is calibrated before you set it off.
Oh.